Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jessica with another amazing tutorial video for you. Already from the title of this video, you can tell what we are going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to show you how to withdraw your earnings from the Yooi Livestreaming app the correct way, because so many of you who tried to withdraw from the app got stuck at some point. Some of you reached out to me with similar issues encountered while withdrawing from the Yooi app, and coincidentally I experienced same while withdrawing from the app. I was able to figure it out at the end of the day, and so I decided to put up this video to help those in the same category solve withdrawal problem. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe for more videos on online secrets and ways to make money online. Now let's get straight into today's video. Go to the Yooi app, alright, and you'll be brought to this place immediately. Click on the last interface below so you can go to your dashboard, and from there you move to the button that says my wallet. Alright, when you click on my wallet, you see your balance. On Yooi, what we withdraw is coins, while diamonds are what you recharge to play games and the likes. So now click on withdraw. You will be brought to this page. So you should know by now that the minimum amount of coins you can withdraw on the Yooi app is 10,000 coins. So once you have from 10,000 coins and above, you can be able to withdraw, and then 1,000 coins is equivalent to $1. And here we have the withdrawal amount, and we also have withdrawal method. Okay, they have different methods. You can decide to withdraw using USDT, be it Ethereum, be it Binance Smart Chain, be it TRX, depending on whatever network you choose to use. And you can also withdraw directly into your local bank account. All right, so for me, I went for USDT. Now here is the issue that a lot of you have been facing. When you come here, you input your phone number, all right, and it says something like invalid phone number after you put your phone number. Actually, there's nothing wrong with your account, all right, but you did not do the right thing. So the first step you're supposed to do wasn't to come directly here to withdraw. You're supposed to go to your settings and bind your phone number first. So this number, whatever number you are using here, even though you registered your account with the number, has not yet been bound to your account. So this is me basically trying it out for the first time, putting my address, put my phone number, put the minimum amount that I want to withdraw, which is $10. I already have up to $10 here. You can see withdraw amount. But when I clicked on submit, okay, it says confirm your address. I want you to see this live. I did the necessary confirmation, clicked on confirm the second time, but the stuff did not sail through. I was given this message, which a lot of you are facing as well, invalid phone number. I tried again thinking the issue was with the app, but I never knew that I was supposed to bound my phone number. This was me here testing different number, thinking that was the issue. So now let me not stress this far. Let's go to where we're supposed to go to bound our phone number first before we come back here to repeat the same process and then finally withdraw. So you return back to your dashboard and then scroll up. Not here, to your dashboard, scroll up and you see this place where it says settings. Click on it, then click on accounts and security. Are you seeing the first place where it says mobile number was not bound? So this is where you come to, and then you bind your phone number. Choose your country code. If you're in Nigeria, you know your country code is +234, and then in whatever country that you're in, put your country code and then your phone number. When you put your country code and then the phone number, you click on get code. And after you click on get code, they will send you a verification code instantly to your phone number, and that's what you're going to come back here and paste. When you paste it, you click on this next arrow here pointing towards the right, and that way you've successfully bound your phone number to your account. Now that this has been done, we're going to go back to our wallet. Click on my wallet, click on withdraw. That's the coins we are going to withdraw. We repeat what we did before. You put in your balance. We're not going to be using bank account. Let's use USDT, and I'm going to be going for Binance Smart Chain. Click on it, and then I'll paste my wallet address here. You can see now automatically they've put my phone number down there. I didn't even need to type my phone number. They automatically pasted my phone number there. So I put in my full name to confirm. Check through the details. Is everything correct? Always check to confirm before you carry out your withdrawals. So now that everything looks good, I clicked on confirm the withdrawal, confirm the necessary, and you can see it says the application is successful. That's how you can withdraw from the Yooi app correctly. Initially, you will be met with that issue, invalid number issue. That's if you did not bind your phone number to your account. So that was it. I successfully withdrew from Yooi Livestream app after binding my phone number. If you don't bind your phone number, you cannot withdraw. And just in case you ask, are there any charges for withdrawals on Yooi? Yes, I believe there are charges. I think when I withdrew $10, I was paid $9.50 into my account. So I dropped the percentage on Telegram. Yeah, if you are in under my agency or you are one of those who came through YouTube, check it out. Join the group below so you can see the rate, the withdrawal rate. And I think it took a day or two for my earnings to drop into my wallet, just in case you may ask. So guys, I hope today's video was helpful. If you enjoyed today's video, do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding this platform or any other live streaming platform, leave your questions below. And also share this video to your friends who are on Yooi app. You never can tell if they need this video. So help someone today by sharing this video to them. I remain Jessica, your partner in online success. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next lit video. Bye.